Detailed installation instructions for each part. All parts. Install the roll film bracket. After installing the gasket, install the screws. Install the second fixing gasket and screw. Tighten the screws using the accompanying tool. Alternating tightening of screws in batches. Uniformly distribute pre-tightening force of screws to ensure connection strength. First install the crossbar, then install the other side roll film bracket.交替拧紧分批次拧紧螺丝。Repeat steps, install the roll film bracket. Tighten the screws at both ends of the crossbar. Install the second crossbar. The installation sequence is screw, washer, support bracket, washer, nut. Adjust the angle of the support frame. After adjustment, use tools to tighten it. Install the components on the other side. Repeat steps. Pre-install screws at both ends of the crossbar. Adjust the angle to ensure the crossbar keep level. Tighten the screws and nuts. Tighten the screws at both ends of the crossbar have been adjusted and kept level. Install the roll film. Please do not move the limit circle next to the yellow sticker. Install the film support device. Install gasket. Install the spring. Install limit stop. The limiter should be installed at the 1/4 compression point of the spring. Tighten the screws to secure it in place. Install the roll film. Install the film support device. Install the limiter and tighten the screws. Place the roll film on the roll film support frame. Tighten the screws for fixation. Install the roll film as shown in the video. Cut the roll film into a V shape for easy installation. Thread the film through the bag former. Pull down roll film. Align the film roll and place it between two rollers. Close the clamp switch to clamp the roll film. Install the data cable, connect the filling machine and packaging machine. Realize automatic packaging. Align the slot and insert it, then tighten and secure it. Repeat steps. Insert the power supply and turn on the switch. Wait for the packaging machine to heat up to the preset temperature. Put the materials into the hopper of the filling machine. Set bag length by the packing machine control panel buttons length adjust 加 Press run button of packing machine, press start button of filling machine. The machine will automatically weigh and package. Thanks for cooperation.